Welcome to today's episode, where we dive into how Alpine Property Management is not just managing properties in Kansas City, but actively enhancing living experiences and creating thriving communities. This approach has positioned Alpine as a leader in the property management industry, transforming the conventional landlord-tenant dynamic into something far more impactful and meaningful. Let's explore how Alpine's innovative strategies are making a real difference in the lives of residents and the vibrancy of neighborhoods across Kansas City. At Alpine Property Management, we believe that our role extends beyond the walls of the properties we manage. One of our core missions is to foster a sense of community among our residents. This involves organizing community events, such as neighborhood cookouts, holiday gatherings, and local cleanup days, which not only bring residents together, but also create a sense of belonging and mutual care. These events encourage interactions that transform neighborhoods into places where people don't just live alongside each other, but genuinely connect and collaborate. Creating a great living experience goes hand in hand with providing high-quality, well-maintained living spaces. Alpine Property Management invests significantly in regular maintenance and timely upgrades to ensure that all properties are not only safe and functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. We understand that details matter. From landscaped gardens to renovated interiors, every element is designed to enhance the quality of life for our tenants. This commitment to quality not only satisfies residents, but also instills a sense of pride in their homes. To streamline communication and improve efficiency in managing tenant requests, Alpine has integrated cutting-edge technology into our property management processes. This includes online portals where tenants can easily pay rent, report maintenance issues, and communicate with their property managers. These tools not only make life easier for our residents, but also allow us to respond quicker and keep detailed records of all interactions and transactions, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. In today's world, sustainability is increasingly at the forefront of people's minds, and Alpine Property Management is committed to eco-friendly practices. This includes implementing energy-efficient upgrades and promoting recycling programs. These initiatives not only help the environment, but also often reduce costs for tenants, making it a win-win for everyone. Moreover, sustainable practices contribute to the overall attractiveness of the community, drawing in residents who value environmental consciousness. Above all, Alpine's approach to property management is centered on being responsive and reliable. We ensure that all tenant concerns are addressed promptly and effectively. Whether it's a routine repair request or an emergency situation, our team is available 24/7 to provide assistance. This level of service builds trust and reliability, making Alpine Property Management a preferred choice for residents throughout Kansas City. As we continue our exploration of how Alpine Property Management is redefining the landscape of living experiences in Kansas City, let's delve into the broader impact of our approach on the local community and real estate market. This impact not only illustrates the benefits for individual residents, but also shows how a proactive property management company can enhance entire neighborhoods and contribute to the city's growth. One of the top priorities for Alpine Property Management is ensuring the safety and security of our communities. By installing modern security systems, conducting regular safety drills, and maintaining strict access controls, we provide a secure environment that residents can truly call home. This emphasis on safety not only improves the quality of life for tenants, but also increases the desirability of properties, thereby boosting occupancy rates and stabilizing rental income for property owners. Alpine's active management style also has a significant economic impact on the local community. By maintaining and upgrading properties, we stimulate local employment, contracting with Kansas City businesses for goods and services ranging from construction to landscaping. This not only helps grow the local economy, but also fosters a network of community partnerships that contribute to the city's overall economic health. Understanding that community building extends beyond physical spaces, Alpine Property Management invests in educational and development programs for residents. These initiatives help cultivate a community where individuals are empowered to make positive changes, leading to higher satisfaction and longer tenancy durations. Alpine Property Management believes in the power of tenant feedback and actively encourages it through various channels. By listening to our residents and involving them in decision-making processes, especially regarding community activities and property improvements, we ensure that our actions are aligned with their needs and desires. This collaborative approach not only enhances tenant satisfaction, but also builds a sense of community ownership and pride among residents. Finally, Alpine's commitment to creating appealing and vibrant environments can be seen in our attention to the visual and aesthetic aspects of property management. From well-kept exteriors to thoughtfully designed communal spaces, the visual appeal of a property plays a crucial role in enhancing residents' quality of life. These improvements make the properties more attractive, not only to potential tenants, but also to passers-by, thereby elevating the overall appeal of the neighborhood. In conclusion, the role of Alpine property management in Kansas City goes far beyond the day-to-day operations of property management. Through our comprehensive approach, we're not only enhancing the living experiences of individual tenants, but are also positively impacting broader community dynamics and contributing to the economic and social vitality of Kansas City. Thank you for joining us to learn about how Alpine Property Management is leading the way in creating enhanced living experiences and vibrant communities in Kansas City. If you're interested in learning more about our properties, or if you need a management team that goes above and beyond, please contact Alpine Property Management Kansas City. We're here to help you find your perfect home or manage your property with a community-first approach. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on real estate insights and community-building efforts. Your support helps us continue our mission to transform living experiences and strengthen communities across Kansas City. Let's make a positive impact together with Alpine Property Management. Join us as we pave the way to a brighter, more connected future in Kansas City's real estate market.